Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a huge e.l.f. makeup haul. So in this basket here I have loads of e.l.f. products. A lot of them are new things by e.l.f. and a lot of things are just things that they've had for a while that I haven't tried out. So I recently did a purchase on the elfcosmetics.co.uk website. I think I did 2 orders and I think it's like you have to spend over £25 for free delivery, and more often than not, if you spend over £25, you often get like a free gift as well. So I've got a bunch of new products, so yeah, let's just get started. I'm going to start with some brushes that I picked up. I love e.l.f. brushes. So first of all, I have this one. This is a Flawless concealer brush. I feel like this could be okay for concealer, but I'm not sure because I like to use the Real Techniques contour brush for concealer, which is nice and big and round. This is considerably smaller, so I'm not sure if it's going to be perfect for me, but I will give it a try. And this was £3.75. I forgot to mention there was a huge sale on in e.l.f. I think there's still a lot of sales on. This was only £3.75, so that's really affordable. I also picked up the e.l.f. small stipple brush. I love stippling brushes for contouring or blending out cream contours or cream blushes or cream highlights. I just think a stippling brush is perfect for that. I also like using a stippling brush for primers. I prefer to use stippling brushes for cream products. So this was, oh my gosh, this was only £1.88. Less than £2. Yeah, there's a huge sale on. You have to go and check out this sale. It's so good. And then the final brush I picked up is the Buffin foundation brush. This is like a small round domed foundation brush. I think this would be really nice for foundation because it's quite dense, which would mean it would give you full coverage. And this was £6.25, so more pricey than the other ones, but still really affordable. Next up I have this e.l.f. Aqua Primer Mist. If you know me, you know my channel, you know I love a good primer water, primer mists. So I picked this one up. This is a really big bottle, so I hope that this is nice. Let's just see the spray. Oh, it's quite an aggressive mist, so we'll have to wait and see with that one. But that was £3.75. So I love e.l.f. makeup. It's so good and it's so affordable. £3.75, you can't go wrong. Okay, so because I spent over a certain amount of money, I had a free gift, and this was my free gift. Normally this is £3.75 on its own, but I had it for free. And this is the e.l.f. Tone Adjusting Face Primer Lavender. So it's like a lavender face primer, and I think that lavender is colour correcting, so it must be like to correct redness or something. It does say tone adjusting, so yeah, that'd be interesting to try out. I also have this e.l.f. Makeup Mist and Set. So this is a setting spray. This was also part of the free gift, so I didn't pay any money for this, but if you want to purchase this, this is £4.17, so still really affordable. Let's see what the spray is like on this. Oh, that's a nice mist. That's a nice fine mist. I like the look of that. Very nice. Then I picked up this foundation. Oh, I wish I hadn't because look how dark it is. So they didn't have the Flawless foundation in any shades when I was looking, and they didn't have any foundations really on their website apart from this one. So I literally had to go for this one. This is the Foundation Serum with Goji Berry, and it's SPF 25, which is really good. That's a really high SPF. And this is in the shade Fair/Light. Oh, and it's described on the website as Beautifully Bare foundation. It doesn't say Beautifully Bare on here, but that's what it says. And this was £3.75. So it's really affordable. So if it's no good, like, it doesn't matter to me, but I think I'm gonna have to mix this with some white foundation mixer. Oh, I missed out a primer. I forgot about this one. This is the e.l.f. Moisture Lock Primer. I think this is obviously mattifying because it's moisture locking, and this was only £3.33, so this should be good for me because I have oily skin. So I'm excited to try that one out. Okay, now I picked up one of the Camo concealers. This is the 16 Hour Wear Camo concealers. I picked up the shade Warm Fair, which wasn't the lightest. It was like the third lightest or something like that. But look how pale it is. But when I watched YouTube videos, they said that it oxidizes quite quickly. So it looks really pale when you put it on, but then it does naturally oxidize. So I'm hoping that's the case. And this was £4.17. Then I have a powder. This is the High Definition powder in the shade Soft Luminance. And this is only £3.12, and it's a loose powder, by the way. So £3.12. Then I picked up another e.l.f. bronzer. I have one of these already, and I love it because it is a really natural bronzer. So I'm not going to open this one because I already have one open, but that is just what it looks like. And when you mix all the colours together, it just becomes a really pale natural bronzer, which is great for me because I have pale skin. I also picked up the bronzer palette. I have the contour palette, but I don't have the bronzer palette. And this was only £3.12 because the sale was on. So for £3.12, and you get those 4 bronzer shades, that is amazing. You've got 2 matte bronzers, and then you've got 2 shimmery bronzers. So, and they all look relatively pale as well, which is really good. So I'm excited to try that out. I also picked up the Illuminating highlight palette by e.l.f. and this was also £3.12, and it just has loads of highlighting shades. I feel like the top 2 are more my colours. I maybe be able to get away with that, but I definitely won't be able to get away with that colour even in the summer, so it'll probably be these shades. I then picked up 2 of these. Now these are the bite-size eyeshadows, and they're just a pack of 4 eyeshadows. This one is in the shade Cream and Sugar, so it's a very neutral, like creams and browns, and this one is in the shade Rose Water. And this is more of a rosy gold, pinky, purpley type eyeshadow palette. And these were £2.50 each. I picked up an eyeliner by e.l.f. I've never used an eyeliner by e.l.f. before, and this is the Waterproof Gel Eyeliner. I love a good waterproof eyeliner. Mine is in the shade Coffee, and this was £2.08. So let's just do a little bit on the back. Oh, that's a nice dark brown shade. I like that. Very creamy and soft and easy to apply, so very nice. I then had this lipstick for free. This is the Day to Night Lipstick Duo. This would have been £2.50, but I had it free as part of the free gift. So you've got one side which is like a hot pink, and then the other side which is a more neutral mauvey natural shade. So this is the day, the other side's the night. I then picked up this e.l.f. Srsly Satin lipstick, and this was only £2.50. This is in the shade Cream. It's a very natural nude shade, so let's just swatch it. Yeah, very pale peachy nude shade. And then part of their new Retro Paradise collection, I picked up 2 of their lip glosses. So these are the Dream On Retro Paradise lip glosses. I've got the shades Tropical Fruit Punch, which is a very pinky shade. And then I've also got the shade Strawberry Daquiri, which I'm actually wearing right now. I'm just going to top it up. I love the applicator on these as well. And I don't drink strawberry daiquiris, but it does smell like strawberries and like fruit, tropical fruits. So I imagine it smells like a strawberry daiquiri. And these were £4.17 each, and they are so comfortable to wear. They also have a slight shimmer through them as well, which is really pretty. And then the final thing I've got is some makeup wipes. So these are the e.l.f. Makeup Remover Fragrance-Free Cleansing Cloths. There's 20 in the pack, and these were only £1.88. Less than £2, so that's less than 10p per cloth. That is amazing, so affordable. So I had all those things for about £60–65. That's so affordable. I can't believe how affordable everything is from e.l.f. and their products are so good. So I am actually going to be filming over the next few weeks an e.l.f. makeup tutorial using a lot of those new products, but also using some products that I already have as well. Just testing out e.l.f. makeup as a brand. I know I love e.l.f., but I want to test out some of these new products. So keep an eye out for that video over the next coming weeks. So yeah, that completes this video. This was everything for my e.l.f. haul. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up down below. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel if you're not already, so you can see all my other videos. And thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!